So now the first is the reduction of nitro group. Second, next method, that is also reduction. Reduction of cyanide, which you have already read in chapter 1. Cyanide and isocyanide even also, when the cyanide is reduced in the presence of hydrogen nickel catalyst or lithium aluminum hydride, you know what it forms? CS2 NH2 primary amine. Okay, by increasing one carbon atom. So we can say this cyanide used for the step-up reaction. Even when we use isocyanide, which is not given in NCERT book, but I can discuss with you. Isocyanide, again same reagent, it convert into NHCS3. So it is what amine? It is secondary amine. Then secondary amine also fixed, N-methyl alkanamine. Whatever R or AR will be there. Okay, whether alkyl or aryl group. So N-methyl alkanamine. Next is reduction of amide. Amide. Okay, all of you know what is amide? CONH2. CONH2. Here again, maybe R, maybe AR. AR means aromatic. So in this case, again we can take lithium aluminum hydride. So this CO group reduce into CH2. Means amide, in case of amide, this carbonyl group reduce into CS2 by taking hydrogen from here. Okay. So in this case also we get primary amine, but this is not step up, it is same number of carbons. Okay. Now the next method is, is it okay? Should I go ahead?
Ma'am, एक second.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah, write it. All of you note it down also side by side in your notebook. If you write, then only you can understand. Reading or seeing, कोई solution नहीं है.
I'm note down नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं.
हाँ, all of you, even हाँ, because organic only needs writing practice. Even I cannot teach by PPT organic chemistry. If the PPT will be there, I am not able to teach at all. Because writing is required. I have to also write. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, done. Okay, so I'm going to the next page.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, okay. Arshdeep, have you written?
Yes, ma'am, written.
Now the next method is, which is very, very important for conversions and for reactions method also. That is Hoffman degradation method. Hoffman bromamide also we can write. Hoffman bromamide. Bromamide. 1 second, just a minute. Hoffman bromide method or Hoffman bromide degradation method. Okay. So word is mentioned, degradation means something is degrade, something is reduced over there. So the name itself indicating so many things. What is this? Hoffman is the name of the scientist. Bromamide means bromine and amide. Two things are there. So what is this method? In this method, we take amide and bromine according to the name. It is name reaction. So what is Hoffman bromide? Means we take amide and bromine and what we can take NaOH and alkali. So what happens? There is a degradation occur. Degradation means this carbonyl group. Okay, first I write the reaction. What the reaction occur? CO group removed and only RNS2 left. That is a primary amine formed. There is a formation of primary amine by lesser one carbon atom. Means the one carbon atom decrease. So this reaction used for step down. Okay, and what are the other product formed? Okay, I can write over here. NABR plus Na2CO3 plus water. These are the byproducts. Okay. So now again repeating what is Hoffman degradation method. Write the reaction and I am just explaining. What is Hoffman bromide method? The primary amide reacts with bromine and NaOH, in which the CO group, that is a carbonyl group, which also we can say decarbonylation, is carbonyl group removed. So this is decarbonylation reaction also. This CO group removed from this amide and only what is left? RNS2 left. Okay. So there is a formation of RNS2, that is primary amine. So amide converting to amine by loss of CO. Okay, so when carbon is decreased, loss of CO means one carbon is decreased over there. So this reaction used for the step down, where you have to decrease one carbon, you can use this reaction also. Okay, last year we have studied decarboxylation. So step down ke liye, for step down, we can, where we have to decrease one carbon, where we have to decrease one carbon, we can use in step down conversion what? Either decarboxylation reaction, which we have done last year, soda lime. Decarboxylation means this, soda lime, NaOH, calcium oxide, and heat, and there is a, suppose R is there, RH, okay, this CO is loss, okay. So by decarboxylation and by decarboxylation, always we get alkene, or we can say hydrocarbon, maybe AR also. Okay, we get alkane or hydrocarbon. And second method is this degradation method. And this degradation method, we take amide. So amide convert into amine. Okay. So there is a two method in your course by which we can decrease one carbon atom. First is the decarboxylation. Second is the Hoffman degradation method. Okay. By decarboxylation, we get always hydrocarbon. By this method, we get primary amine. So what type of step down you have to choose during the conversion, you have to think it. Okay. Kya karna hai? Whether we have to use the decarboxylation or we have to use this one. So, but wherever any conversion is coming where you have to decrease one carbon, remember you have to go either any one of the method, either decarboxylation or degradation, Hoffman degradation method. Okay, and for these two methods, you have to also remember whatever the starting compound, you have to convert it to carboxylic acid, then only you can degrade one carbon. Or you have to convert into amide, then only degrade one carbon. Okay, तो जहां भी कार्बन कम करना, you have to apply any one of the method. But इस method के लिए भी you have to think कि whatever the initial compound, you have to change into first carboxylic group. या तो कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप में चेंज करोगे और यू हैव टू चेंज इनटू अमाइड ग्रुप. ठीक है? ओके, दिस इज क्लियर? क्लियर और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
So this is very important reaction because of two things. Because in board exam it comes in the form of name reaction. Either it come in the form of name reaction or in the form of conversion. ठीक है? Or sometimes complete equation also. अच्छा. Now one thing, something extra also I want to tell you. So what is Hoffman degradation? This reagent we are using, amide में ये डालते हैं. Sometime कहीं कहीं पे लिखा रहता है NaOBr. इसका मतलब भी यही हो गया because these two react with to form NaOBr. Or sometime only written over the OBr minus. Okay. So suppose any question is coming in the exam and here we can use R or AR both, not only A. AR also can be for both aryl or alkyl group. Okay. Suppose in exam it is given CS3, CS2, CO, NH2 and reagent you have, no, suppose reagent is OBr minus and identify the product. You do not think कि ये क्या reagent आ गया, what is OBr minus, okay? It means what this, okay? So you have to decrease what the product you will get it. क्या मिलेगा आपको? What will get it? CO से फटा दो. What are you getting?
CH3, CH2, NH2.
NH2. यानी from propanamide to you are getting ethanamine. तो नाम क्या हो गया? प्रोपेन से क्या मिल रहा है आपको? प्रोपेन से आपको क्या मिला?
Ethane मिल गया.
यानी प्रोपेन मीन्स 3 कार्बन, इथेन मीन्स 2 कार्बन, so you have decreases 1 carbon. ठीक है? Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Should I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Okay. So now one question I am just okay, convert. Convert number 1. Ethanoic acid to methylamine. Anybody can think? Anybody can think? Okay, let me discuss with you. Ethanoic acid and methanamine. Okay. And the question is not more than 2 steps. This is also mentioned. Always conversion should be in minimum steps. Okay, first you write the reagent, ethanoic acid, and then methylamine, CS3NH2. So what you are observing first? Any conversion, कैसे conversion करना? First is always write the reactant and product structure. पहले तो दोनों का structure लिख दो. Then you observe it. आपको पहले observation करनी है कि what changes are required over there. First आपको strike करा कि ethane to methane means 1 carbon has to be decreased. तो आपको पता है कि 1 carbon decrease करने के लिए वैशाली मैम ने बताया कि only these 2 methods we will apply. ठीक है? बहुत सारे मेथड्स होते हैं, बट इजीएस्ट आर दीज टू मेथड्स. ठीक है, तो आपको लगा कि यहाँ पे अमीन लाना है. अमीन का मतलब है कि मैम ने कहा था आइदर डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन करना और हाउफमैन डिग्रेडेशन. अमीन आ गया तो डिग्रेडेशन कर सकते हैं, बट डिग्रेडेशन के लिए मैम ने ये बताया था कि कार्बोक्सिलिक नहीं अमाइड होना चाहिए. मीन्स वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक टू फर्स्ट इनटू अमाइड, यानी फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इनटू अमाइड फॉर्म. नाउ क्वेश्चन आ गया कि हाउ टू कन्वर्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक टू अमाइड. तो कार्बोक्सिलिक से अमाइड करने के लिए आपको अमोनिया डाल के हीट करना पड़ेगा, राइट. सो व्हेन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड रिएक्ट्स विद अमोनिया एंड स्ट्रांगली हीटेड इट कन्वर्ट इनटू अमाइड. बन गया अमाइड. सके, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू नो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक टू अमाइड. तो कार्बोक्सिलिक में अमोनिया डाल के हीट करोगे तो दिस कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड कन्वर्ट इनटू अमाइड, CONH2. OH यहाँ से H वाटर के फॉर्म में लूज हो जाएगा एंड यू गेट अमाइड. ठीक है, एंड अमाइड आ गया, टेंशन खत्म. ओके, डायरेक्टली यू कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू CH3NH2 by using Br2 plus NaOH reagent, or you can write NaOBr. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, मिताली, हर्षदेव, अर्चित, दीपांशु,
क्लियर है.
Yes, ma'am.
कुणाल,
गया.
आ गया. ठीक है, तो बहुत इजी है बट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बोर्ड एग्जाम में मोस्टली इस तरह का कन्वर्जन एक आता ही आता है. तो व्हेन आई एम राइटिंग द स्टार, स्टार मीन्स इम्पोर्टेंट. यू शुड रिमेंबर दिस थिंग कि कैसे करना है. ठीक है, नाउ गो टू द वन मोर कन्वर्शन. ठीक है,
हम टाइम हो गया.
क्या टाइम हो रहा है बच्चे?
हम 36 हो गए.
ओहो, स्टॉप 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 स्टॉप.
मैम एक सेकंड प्रीवियस स्लाइड कर दोगे, एक स्टेप रह गया.
हेलो